Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where we are going to discuss about how to find PhD projects online. Well, you will be astonished to know that finding a PhD project abroad is not that hard and we just need the right approach. Well, there are different steps involved in it. We have to look at research profiles, we have to check if there is funding, prepare our CV, and then write an email. So let's see in a very short and crisp format how we can apply these steps. So, the first approach is to have keywords. For example, if I'm interested in diabetes, I will have diabetes research and doctoral programs in Australia in my Google search. It's important that you add plus signs because Google is dependent on these keywords to make your search precise. So, for example, in this particular web page, what I'm seeing is that what projects in diabetes are currently being funded and which are the supervisors from these different universities in Australia getting funded. And the reason for that is because if, for example, this particular professor has funding recently, then he would have the opportunity or a space for a PhD student in his lab. So once we know, okay, these are the current supervisors who are getting funded, we can look at their research profiles directly on the university's website. Here I can see that he has two active projects currently. And once I go into the detail, I can see that these project, the title is this, and here I can see the particular timeline or the number of years this project is funded. So I can see that this project is from 1st of January 2025 till 2026 of the end of the year. So it may not be fully funded for a PhD, but it may be partially funded, and we can ask for like some additional support from the supervisor or from additional sources. In addition to that, there is also this ORCID ID of the supervisor present. So here, the ORCID ID is an official information site where we can get information about the education qualifications of the potential supervisor, their works, what kind of research papers or research outputs that they have produced, and based on it we can have an idea about whether we are interested in the kind of research that they are doing in their lab or not. And also, if something does not fit, you can check for other research profiles or other projects as well. The another approach that we can apply is, for example, making it specific and targeting the universities which are like our dream university. For example, Monash University is one of the universities that I want to apply to. So I will go into the university's official web page and I will check the research web page of this university. More or less, all the universities around the world have the same profile, have the same way in which their web page is designed. So here I can see the different names of the supervisors, and I can also see which supervisors are currently accepting PhD students. So this will really help me to save time and narrow down my approach. There are different kind of filters which are available through which you can refine your search. I can have a specific field of research. For example, I am interested in medical and health sciences. So I can just select that. And I'm, for example, interested in immunology, like a broad category. So I can select that. And if you want, you can even narrow down your search to only refine it with the supervisors who are currently looking for PhD students. So based on it, I saw this profile of this particular PhD supervisor who is also accepting PhD students, and he is interested in immunology. And I can see his projects on the university website as well, where I can see that okay, he has two active projects and there is one which has not been started yet. So I can see what the project is all about. And in your email, when you're approaching the supervisor, you can mention, if you find that project interesting, you can mention that you are willing to be a student in this particular project. What can you contribute? It's really important that we do our own search, and I hope you find this tip useful. So for another video about how we should email a supervisor, you can subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Thank you.